Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix the LUT for filter and the noises of LUT. So let's start it. So when you copy the settings of your presets from Lightroom, just turn off some option and even exposures, because in SparkAR only take your color value. So after copied the settings, just paste into your base LUT and then import into SparkAR, and don't forget to turn off the compression none. Now go to left hand side and choose the rectangle, and then from the right hand side choose fill height and fill width, and from below create new material and then rename the material if you want it, and then change the shader mode to flat and then click on texture, and then from the left hand side click on camera, and then from the right hand side choose camera extraction and drag and drop into patch editor. Even drag drop the LUT. Now we all need FastColorLUT. Click on plus sign from below and from assets library search FastColorLUT and just click on import. Now just drag and drop into patch editor and then connect the node. If you see carefully, noises is there. How to fix this issue? So just click it here to unbox the FastColorLUT and search for clam and reduce the value to 0.04 and then see the noises disappear. And I am again showing it. See it once again. Just make the value 0.04 and see it. Let's see on the other videos how the results is. So hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming tutorials. And yes, if you want this loot, please read the description carefully. Till then, stay tuned for more tutorials. Bye.